Hi, okay, welcome to Roosters TV again. I thought I would do a little quick video of the latest custom job we've done on Herald's Phantom. This is a sold bike for Roosters customer who bought it from new but wanted some various modifications done before he collected it up. Which hopefully will be later on today or tomorrow. So I thought I'd just give you a little walk around before it goes to its new owner. So first of all, the main thing you'll notice is probably the seat conversion. This is a handmade leather bobber seat that we've done on it, and we've removed the number plate and the rear lights and everything off the rear mudguard to give a nice clean line. So do a little walk around on the back there. So we put a side plate on and welded in all the holes that were on the mudguard where the number plate originally was, and the rear light, located the rear light to the right hand side, and then put on some beautiful little bullet indicators under the seat on the toolbox, and then resprayed in the mudguard. So that's the rear profile of it. Obviously bar end mirrors as well, massive improvement. And we've also done a clock conversion, which was bloody hard to do. So that's it from the back. A few other little things as well. We put a USB port in the tool roll there, or fake tool roll, which is so the GPS tracking system has got power. Yeah, a couple of other minor little things like front indicators and stuff. So personally, I think it's beautiful. A lot better than the original. Just show you the clocks quickly. We put the client also wanted extra indicator lights on the top yoke here. These come with holes originally, which I'm assuming would have been for a top bar conversion, which were just rubber plugged in, so something needed to go there. And then we put in a tacho, which it doesn't have, and a Herald Speedo with all the warning lights built in. So the original Phantom comes with a clock, 3 clocks, another one up here, and a clock purely with just the warning lights on, idiot lights, which look, you know, not the best it could be. So we've done this little clock conversion on it, which I think looks much better with the original with just 2 clocks on there than the original 3. Match the front indicators to the rear, much smaller, better little LED indicators on this, and yeah, it's a pretty bike. I'll just get it running. Bear with for a sec. Not the easiest thing when you're holding it. Yeah, a really nice little bobber, to be honest, from Herald there. It's a limited edition run, there's not that many of them. Struggling to get as many as what people want, so if anyone is interested, then get in touch quick, because they're very, very limited run on these. But yeah, I think with a few modifications done, they can look exceptionally nice. I think the exhaust needs to be changed, to be honest. Not a great exhaust. It would run a lot better. It's quite restrictive, this exhaust. And but in essence, for under £4,000, that is a stunning little entrance level bobber that you'll never pull up at a set of lights and have someone else pull up next to one with you. Okay, so over and out, and off to its new owner.